Okay, so this is the Hovercam Pilot, and it replaces a lot of media devices that you can use. For example, it replaces a projector because this Hovercam Pilot connects with a touchscreen. The Hovercam Pilot, and as you see, it has a monitor designed into it, as well as a document camera right here. And this can be used in classrooms, in office settings, in conference rooms. And one good thing about the Hovercam Pilot is that you have a keyboard worked into it. Now, even though it's a touchscreen, all right, it acts just like your tablet would. You can go and open any one of these applications, but you also have a keyboard worked into it. It acts just like a keyboard. You have your trackpad, your left and right clicks, and it worked right into the machine. Another thing you might want to notice is that it has a very long cord that if you just yank on it, it will retract back into the Podium. And this cord, I'm going to say, is about 12 feet. So you can place it on any side of the room in which you're working on, and it will retract back into the Podium, as well as be able to be used in different outlets. Now, this document camera also has two settings of light worked into it. So here's in the off position, and over here what we're going to do is we're going to turn on, that's the first level. Here's the second level, and the light is on right now, and we could turn it off. What it also does, it flips the document by turning these dials that you have right here, and it can flip it upside down just by turning it counterclockwise.